Hi everyone, ever thought on how to start saving money? Here I am going to show you 5 simple steps to start saving for beginners. It is easy to follow and will reward you when the time is needed. Number 1 is to pay yourself first. Once you get your paycheck, it is best to pay yourself first by 5%. Then slowly increase yearly when you are comfortable. Make sure to keep it in a safe place. Number 2 is to eliminate your debt. It is best to pay off all bad debt as soon as possible. Bad debt will rob your income. Once your income is free from debt, you can progress more on your savings plan. This will take us to step 3. Number 3 is to start your savings plan. Include retirement plan. Take up employee savings plan if you are working. Or start investing to grow your money. It is best to start early, because investing works wonders in long term. Number 4 is to prepare your own food. An obvious money saving tip is finding everyday savings. If buying lunch or breakfast at work costs $20, but bringing 2 meals from home costs only $3.50, then over the course of a year, you can create a $6,022.50 emergency fund or make a significant contribution to retirement fund. Number 5 is only buy your needs and not your wants. People should prioritize on things that they need, not things that they want. Example, you need a car to travel, but you do not need a sport car to go to work. By setting priority, we can save on the unnecessary things, which could eventually save more cash for retirements. You can still buy the things you want, but keep it in moderation, to avoid it becoming waste. That is all 5 easy steps to save money. I hope this will benefit all of you viewers.
If it's not that difficult, please click the like button, so this video can benefit more people. And also click subscribe to be updated for latest video.